Hi, I'm Victor Godfrey, and you're welcome to my channel where I provide step-by-step tutorials, expert tips, and proven strategies to help you create, publish, and generate passive income with Amazon KDP, thereby turning your ideas into a lucrative business and profitable digital asset. In this video, I'll share with you essential steps to building a thriving self-publishing business with the potential of earning up to $1,000 per month in royalties and scaling it up to $10,000 or even more. So whether you're just starting and aiming for your first $100 or you're an experienced publisher looking to leave your 9-to-5 job, this guide will provide actionable strategies to accelerate your publishing journey. So let's dive into the first steps towards transforming your publishing efforts into a sustainable business. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is a self-publishing platform that revolutionized the book industry by allowing anyone to publish and sell books globally. Unlike traditional publishing, KDP requires no upfront investment, thereby making it accessible for starting a passive income journey. So to truly grasp the potential of earning $1,000 to $10,000 a month, it is essential to understand how KDP works. So this platform pays royalties, allowing you to earn between 35% and 70% of the book sales price. So by leveraging Amazon's global marketplace and reader base, you can reach millions of potential buyers while Amazon handles the logistics aspect, which includes the printing and shipping of the book to the customer. And again, the beauty of KDP is its scalability. One well-performing book can generate hundreds or even thousands of dollars monthly. So multiply this success with several high-quality books, and you can realistically achieve your income goal. Making $10,000 a month may seem daunting, but let's break it down. If you price your ebook at $4.99, you will earn approximately $3.50 per sale after Amazon's 70% royalty deduction. Now, to reach $10,000, you need about 2,860 sales per month of your ebooks, or roughly 95 sales per day. Now, let's consider paperback. With an average paperback price at $12.99, your royalties could be around $5 per sale. Now, combining this format and adding income from Kindle Unlimited page rate makes the 10,000 goal even much more feasible. Imagine creating 10 to 20 high-quality books with each generating $500 to $2,000 monthly. Then your 10,000 monthly income goal now become not only feasible but also doable too. One of the most crucial foundations of self-publishing success is mastering niche research. Without understanding your market, you are likely to create books that get lost in the sea of competition. So, choosing the right niche is one of the most critical steps in your publishing journey. A niche hereby refers to the specific category or audience your book targets. So, the key is to find a balance between high demand and low competition. Now, here's what you need to focus on. Look for niches where readers are actively searching for books, but where competition is manageable. Tools like Publishers Rocket and Google Trends can help you analyze search volumes and the competition. Also, avoid overly saturated niches like general fictions or cookbooks unless you can offer a unique angle to that. Now, take for example, instead of targeting a generic topic like weight loss, narrow it down to something more specific, like weight loss for women over 40. Keyword also play a pivotal role in discoverability. So you can use tools like Publishers Rocket to identify relevant low competition keywords that align with your niche. Also use Amazon bestsellers to spot emerging opportunities. By finding the right niche, you will not only sell more books, but also reduce advertising costs since you won't need to compete in a saturated market. The next step towards achieving your $1,000 to $10,000 per month income goals will be to expand beyond Amazon and diversify your income stream. And once you've mastered the basics, it's time to scale. Scaling involves increasing your output, diversifying your income streams, and leveraging automation. First, aim to publish 1 to 2 books per month. And to maintain quality, outsource tasks like writing, editing, and design as needed. Also expand your formats by offering audiobooks through platforms like ACS and bundling related titles into box sets. Track your sales data to identify your top performing books and then use the insights to double down on successful niches or themes. Additionally, consider creating a series of books as returning readers can significantly boost your income. While Amazon KDP is a fantastic platform, Relying solely on it limits your revenue potential and exposes your business to risk. So you can diversify your distribution channels to other publishing platforms like Ingram Spark. This platform distributes to over 40,000 retailers, libraries, and universities worldwide. And this is especially useful for print books. The other platform is Draft to Digital. This platform also simplifies the process of publishing to multiple marketplaces, including Apple Books, Barnes and Nobles, and Kobo. Expanding your reach ensures that even if one channel experiences issue, your income remains steady. The next step towards achieving your $1,000 to $10,000 per month income goals will be to invest in marketing and advertising. Marketing is the engine that drives book sales, and without it, even the best book can go unnoticed. Even the best book won't sell if no one knows it exists, and effective marketing is the key to reaching your audience. You can start by building an online presence, such as using social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest to share engaging content related to your niche. Another effective strategy is building an email list. You can offer readers a free resource, such as bonus chapters or a printable guide in exchange for their email addresses. This allows you to nurture your audience and promote future books to them. Now, here are some tips to optimize your efforts. First, allocate a budget for your advertising. Amazon ads are a powerful tool for driving sales. Therefore, set up campaigns targeting relevant keywords and categories. Start with a small budget, adjust based on performance metrics, and remain consistent. Platforms like Amazon Ads offers a great way to target specific readers. Now you can go watch my video tutorial on how to create ads for Amazon KDP and use the strategy I demonstrated in the video and create your own Amazon ads. You can also leverage Facebook and Instagram ads for broader reach, especially for visually appealing niches like children's books or cookbooks. Marketing not only boosts visibility, but it also enhances your book's algorithm ranking in Amazon, leading to long-term sales. The next step towards achieving your $1,000 to $10,000 per month income goal is to be a producer and not a consumer. The secret of Amazon's KDP passive income lies in creation. So while learning is important, spending too much time consuming content without action is counterproductive. Therefore, you need to shift your focus. Every book you publish is a digital asset with the potential for years of passive income. So start creating valuable content. Limit your distractions by reducing the time spent watching endless tutorials or reading redundant articles. Instead, allocate that time to writing, creating, and publishing. Also aim to create and publish regularly, since each book adds to your revenue stream. Your most significant investment will always be in your knowledge and the tools you use. So don't let a lack of resources hold you back. Watch YouTube videos that teach specific skills like cover design, book marketing, or launching your first book. You can also invest in tools that simplify your workflow and elevate your output. Keyword tools like Publishers Rocket and KDP are very essential. Always remember, what you invest in now can save you time and money in the long run. So here's the bonus tip. Always leverage the fourth quarter of the year for maximum revenue. The fourth quarter of the year, also known as Q4, is the busiest and most profitable time for self-publishers. And here's how you can prepare for that. Publish books tailored towards holidays or seasonal trends, such as Christmas-themed activity books or gift guides. Increase your ad budget to capture the surge in consumer spending. Ensure all your books are polished, well marketed, and ready for increased demand. The publishing industry evolves rapidly, and staying informed is crucial. In 2025, AI and interactive content will play a significant role. Therefore, start leveraging AI tools for tasks like brainstorming ideas, creating outlines, or even generating illustrations. Interactive ebooks, particularly in niches like education and children's books, are gaining popularity. So consider exploring these formats to differentiate yourself from the competition. Sustainability is another trend to watch. Books that align with eco-friendly themes or practices may resonate more with conscious consumers. So building a successful self-publishing business takes time, dedication, and strategic planning. So now you have all the tools and strategies to build a 10,000 per month business with Amazon KDP in 2025. Always remember, Self-publishing success is a journey that requires persistency, creativity, and a commitment to quality. So here's a recap of all we've been discussing so far. Steps towards achieving your $1,000 to $10,000 per month income goals with Amazon KDP. The first step will be for you to master your niche research, then expand your distribution channels, invest in marketing and advertising, focus on creation and not consumption, then invest in your skills and tools. Then start brainstorming book ideas and take action. The sooner you begin, the closer you will be to achieving your financial goals. So by following these steps, you will not only reach $10,000 per month, but set the foundation for scaling your business even further. If you're interested in learning how to start your Amazon KDP business, then I got you. I created a full Amazon KDP video tutorial that shows the entire publishing process from start to finish. And all you need to do is click on the link in the description box of this video and go watch my Amazon KDP tutorial video for beginners. Guys, we've come to the end of this discussion, and I would love to hear your thoughts. So drop a comment below about what you are most excited to try or any questions you have. Thank you for watching, and if you find value in today's video, please hit the like button, share with someone who could benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more actionable tips. Let's turn your self-publishing dreams into a thriving business, and let's make 2025 your breakthrough year. Happy publishing!